Dani.
And I'm Rae. And we're Twins Toy Box!
Today we'll be making slime.
Here's what you'll need. First off, you'll need a bowl and a spoon to help you mix.
Second off, these are the most important ingredients. You'll need some glue, some Elmer's glue, and you'll need some borax solution.
Third, you'll need some water, a 1/4 measuring cup, and some paper towels, just in case you do this.
Last but not least, if you want to get really creative, you could use glitter, food coloring, or whatever you want.
Let's make some slime! First, we are gonna each take a bottle of glue.
The recipe calls for 1/4, but we're going to double that and use a half of the bottle of glue.
This is taking forever.
I feel like this might be right. Now we're going to take our 1/4 measuring cup and we're going to scoop the water 2 times into our mixing bowl.
Be careful, Dani. Don't let it fall.
I feel like, I don't know if it's too, but I get it. I feel like
And now it's time to clean the 1/4 measuring cup. And also, we can't forget to stir. So let's stir.
Now it's time for the borax. We're gonna take our 1/4 measuring cup and we're gonna do the same process as we did for our bowl, except this time.
Make sure to shake it. Make sure. Okay, I'll go first. I'll go first. Dani wants me to go first. She's saying off. Oh my gosh! What is that?
I told you.
Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so 1 scoop, and then my sister's gonna take 1 scoop, and then I'm gonna take 1 scoop,
No, I'm gonna
and then
take.
she's gonna take 1
This
scoop.
taste is horrible.
You weren't supposed to drink it. Great out. Yeah, now I see what you mean. Okay, now it's my turn to get the other one. My sister Dani is really funny when it comes to these things. She's like, oh, DIYs, I know all about these. And then she just slaps something right on her face.
Disgusting.
Okay, so now we need to mix this up. Hopefully the results are worth it. Oh, still in its processing stage where I need to brush it up.
I don't think mine is.
Even though it is pretty sticky.
Depending on what color you want it to be, you have to put a certain amount of drops. So I want mine to be pink, and I'm gonna add pink sparkles as well. So this is like a pink, and this is like a red. So oh god, this is like literally.
Can somebody help me with this? Wait, I got it.
So I'm gonna add 2 drops and see how that goes. Now I'm gonna stir with my spoon.
I'm adding 5 drops.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Well, that's a failure.
1.
Okay,
No.
so I got
That might
3,
be red. That might be red. I don't know.
4,
It
5,
might be
6.
red or pink.
Okay, that's more than enough.
I'm really bad at
I got
mixing
more than
colors
enough
together.
right now. I mean, pink.
Oh, it's red.
Oh yeah, it's red.
Yeah, mine's pink.
Okay.
Oh, well.
Oh my gosh, mine's turning pink.
Really?
Yeah, really.
No, you just have to mix it that.
I'm just doing a bunch of red.
Just a little.
I just keep doing a bunch of red.
That much.
Can I have some sparkles real quick?
Okay, and okay, you got really crazy with the sparkles.
Yeah.
You're just.
A measuring cup, really. Oh yay.
I'm gonna use 2 of these because I want mine to be. Oh, I got slime in your hair.
Oh come on.
I'm gonna
There,
use
it's
2
all-
of these
It's so easy to come out.
because I don't want.
It was like
Because
rub.
I like like glittery stuff, so I'm just gonna dump a lot of sparkles in. I don't really care about the amount right now.
Oh yeah, me neither.
My slime's a success.
Mine too.
I know. says Twins Toy Box Slime. I decorated it.
So I think we got everything, don't you?
Nope.
What are we missing?
Didn't you forget
About what?
that this is our first ever Twin Toy Box video?
Oh yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. First, we are both gonna take a bottle of slime.